In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a potion of fire resistance in Minecraft. Before we get into the video, if you find it useful, please leave a like and subscribe. So the first thing you need to do is go into your crafting menu and put a blaze powder and a slime ball in to make a magma cream. Next, we're going to go to the brewing stand and we are going to put our magma cream in and our awkward potions. I'll leave a video in the top right corner on how to make an awkward potion. So we're just going to let this brew. And here we have potion of fire resistance. So we take 2 of these out and we're going to stick a redstone dust in, and this will extend the time. Here we are. So this one's 8 minutes long. This is 3 minutes. If we stick this one in here and then put some gunpowder, this will make it a splash potion. And here's our splash potion. So throw this on the floor. We now have fire resistance. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe.